Yo, what up my people? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we have this iPhone 11 Pro Max and we are going to change the battery. We are going to replace the battery. The old battery that is there usually switches off even on 85%. So let's change it, guys. Follow me. Let's speed it up. So guys, on this iPhone 11 Pro Max, the battery has two clips. So this is the first one we are clipping. We apply our chemical so that the gum underneath will be dissolving. So we unscrew the second part of the clip and also unclip it so that we'll bring out the battery. Is it, guys? So here we have our new battery. We are going to replace it with. Going to place it carefully. That's it, guys. First of all, we'll clip the two clips before pushing down the battery so that it will be well placed, just like that. We cover our battery clips and cover the phone. So now let's close the phone and test. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like and share. Also follow me on my Facebook account, the same name, Obiboy Gadgets, my TikTok, my Instagram. Follow me, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video.